That's right, it's an apple. A P-P-L-E spells apple. Yum! Now let's meet our yellow buddy. It's sweet and long. Any ideas? Yes, it's a banana. B-A-N-A-N-A spells banana. Great job. Look at this juicy orange friend. It's packed with vitamin C. What's its name? Correct. It's an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E spells orange. Fantastic! Next, we have a small green friend that's perfect for a tropical treat. Can you guess? Right on, it's a kiwi. K-I-W-I spells kiwi. Awesome! Now let's meet a bumpy yellow friend. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a lemon. L-E-M-O-N spells lemon. You're doing fantastic! Last but not least, our purple friend. It's small, sweet, and great for making jam. Can you guess? Yes, it's a grape. G-R-A-P-E spells grape. You're a fruit naming expert now. Explorers, welcome to our veggie voyage. Today we're going to have a fantastic time learning the names of some colorful and tasty vegetables. Our first friend is orange and crunchy. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T spells carrot. Yum! Now let's meet our leafy green friend. Do you know its name? Yes, it's spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H spells spinach. Great job! Look at this round and red friend. Any guesses? Correct, it's a tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O spells tomato. Awesome! Now our yellow buddy with a smile. What could it be? Right on, it's a bell pepper. B-E-L-L-P-E-P-P-E-R spells bell pepper. Fantastic! Next up, a versatile veggie you can mash or bake. Can you guess? Yes, it's a potato. P-O-T-A-T-O spells potato. You're doing great! Now let's meet our green bushy friend with a unique look. Can you guess its name? That's right, it's broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I spells broccoli. Crunchy and oh so green. And look at this long green vegetable with a fun twist. Can you guess its name? Yes, it's zucchini. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I spells zucchini. Such a funny and tasty friend. Last but not least, our crunchy green sticks. Can you guess? That's correct, it's celery. C-E-L-E-R-Y spells celery. Great job, my veggie pals. We've had so much fun learning the names of these wonderful vegetables today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you next time for more veggie voyages. Bye-bye! Colorful and exciting world of birds. Are you excited? Our first feathery friend is a symbol of freedom and often seen soaring high in the sky. Can you guess who it is? Let's find out! Meet the eagle. Eagles are known for their keen eyesight and powerful wings. Can you say eagle? Now let's dive into the ocean and meet a bird that's an excellent fisherman. This is Kirby the kingfisher. Kingfishers are experts at catching fish with their sharp beaks. Can you say kingfisher? Our next bird is a beautiful wader, often found standing on one leg in shallow water. Meet flamingo. Flamingos are known for their vibrant pink feathers and long, slender legs. Can you say flamingo? Let's head to the Arctic and meet a bird that's perfectly adapted to the cold environment. This is Pete the penguin. Penguins are excellent swimmers and can't fly, but they are fantastic divers. Can you say penguin? Now let's explore the rainforest and meet a bird that's known for its stunning plumage. Meet Molly the macaw. Macaws have bright and vibrant feathers, and they're excellent at imitating sounds. Can you say macaw? Our next next bird is a small, energetic flyer often seen hovering in the garden. This is Harry the hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the tiniest birds and can fly backward. Can you say hummingbird? Let's venture into the desert and meet a bird known for its unique adaptation to the arid environment. Meet Reggie the roadrunner. Roadrunners are fast runners and are excellent at catching insects. Can you say roadrunner? Now let's take to the trees and meet a bird that's known for its rhythmic drumming. This is Woody the woodpecker. Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to drum on trees and find insects. Can you say woodpecker? Our next bird is a cheerful singer often heard in the early morning. Our next bird is a cheerful singer often heard in the early morning. Let's travel to the grasslands and meet a bird that's a symbol of speed and grace. This is Sammy the swallow. Swallows are agile flyers and are often seen catching insects in flight. Can you say swallow? Now let's go high up in the mountains and meet a bird known for its magnificent plume. Meet Percy the peacock. Peacocks are famous for their colorful and extravagant plumage. Can you say peacock? Our next bird is a skilled fisher, often found near lakes and rivers. This is Henry the heron. Herons are expert fishermen with their long necks and sharp beaks. Can you say heron? Let's journey to the savannah and meet a bird that's the tallest and heaviest of them all. Meet Olivia the ostrich. Ostriches are flightless birds and are the fastest runners on land. Can you say ostrich? Now let's visit the wetlands and meet a bird that's a master of camouflage. This is Harmony the hermit thrush. Hermit thrushes are known for their beautiful songs and their ability to blend in with their environment. Can you say hermit thrush? Our final bird is a symbol of wisdom and is often associated with ancient stories and legends. Meet Oliver the owl. Owls are known for their wisdom and ability to see in the dark. Can you say owl? Wow, wasn't that an incredible journey through the world of birds? Thanks for joining us on Birds Names for Kids. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the amazing world around you. Bye, little explorers. Subscribe for more such adventures. Adventure, animal names. Today we're going to dive into the magical world of animals and their awesome names. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first incredible animal is the gentle giant of the jungle. It's the elephant. Elephants are massive with big floppy ears and a long trunk. Get ready to reach new heights with our second animal, the majestic giraffe. Giraffes have long necks and spots on their bodies. Imagine being able to eat leaves from the tallest trees. Let's waddle over to our next adorable friend, the penguin. Penguins are black and white birds that love to slide on their bellies. Can you do a penguin waddle? What other animals do you think might live in the icy, cold Antarctic? Roar! Here comes our fourth animal, and it's a fierce one, the tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes, making them look like real-life superheroes. Can you roar like a tiger? Dive into the ocean with our next playful friend, the dolphin. Dolphins are intelligent and love to jump and play in the waves. Can you make a dolphin click sound? Let's climb up a eucalyptus tree to meet our sixth adorable animal, the koala. Koalas are fuzzy and love to munch on eucalyptus leaves. Can you pretend to climb a tree like a koala? Roar again. Our seventh animal is the king of the jungle. It's the lion. Lions have golden fur and a mighty roar. Can you roar like a lion? Flutter into our next delightful creature, the butterfly. Butterflies come in many beautiful colors and love to dance from flower to flower. Can you pretend to be a butterfly flapping its wings? What other animals do you think might visit flowers? Get ready for our ninth cuddly friend, the panda. Pandas are black and white bears that love to munch on bamboo. Can you pretend to eat bamboo like a panda? Hop-tastic time with our next friend, the kangaroo. Kangaroos have powerful legs and love to hop around the Australian outback. What other animals do you think might live in the vast Australian desert? Let's wade into the water to meet our 11th friend, the elegant flamingo. Flamingos have long, thin legs and love to stand on one leg. Can you stand on one leg like a flamingo? Mosey on over to the farmyard with our 12th friend, the friendly cow. Cows have spots or patches and say, moo! Can you make a cow sound? Stripes galore with our 13th friend, the dazzling zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their bodies. Can you pretend to be a zebra with your striped pajamas? Giddy up with our 14th friend, the majestic horse. Horses love to run and neigh. Can you make a neighing sound like a horse? What other animals do you think might be found on a ranch? Sneak into the woods to meet our 15th friend, the clever fox. Foxes have bushy tails and are known for their sly tricks. Can you make a fox sound? What other animals do you think might live in the forest? Let's tiptoe quietly into the forest to meet our 16th friend, the graceful deer. Deer have slender bodies and elegant antlers on their heads. That wraps up our animal adventure today. Keep exploring and learning about the incredible creatures in our world. Until next time, happy animal adventures. Subscribe for more such adventures.
A, airplane, airplane. B, bear, bear. C, cat, cat. D, dinosaur, dinosaur. D for dinosaur. E, elephant, elephant. F, fish, fish. F for fish. G, G, goat, goat. H, horse, horse. H for horse. I, ice cream, ice cream. I for ice cream. J, J for jam, jam. K, kangaroo, kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L, lion, lion. M, monkey, monkey. M for monkey. N. Nest. Nest. O. 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 Owl. Owl. P. Pizza. Pizza. Q. Q. Queen. Q for queen. R. Rainbow. Rainbow. R for rainbow. S. S. S for sun. T. T. Trees. T for trees. U. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V. Vegetables. Vegetables. W. Water. W for water. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. York. Yo-yo. Y for York and yo-yo. Z. Z. Zebra. Zoo. Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Subscribe for more such adventures. Hello there, little learners. Welcome to another fantastic episode of our learning journey. Today, get ready to dive into the exciting world of numbers with our theme, Learning to Count. Are you excited? Numbers are like our super cool friends, and today we'll be exploring them together. Let's start with the number 1. Can you guess what comes after 0? That's right, it's 1. Awesome! Now let's move on to number 2. It's the next number in our counting adventure. Can you show me 2 fingers? Fantastic! Now let's explore number 3. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. That's it! 3 is such a cool number. You're doing amazing. Now let's jump to number 4. Can you show me 4 fingers? Perfect! 4 is a special number just like you. Great job! And now the big finale, number 5 that comes after 4. Show me 5 fingers. Count with me one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five for reaching number 5. Now let's count with fruits. We have 1 apple. Now let's move on to number 2. Can you think of a fruit that comes in pairs, just like your shoes? That's right, it's the banana. Look, we have 2 yummy bananas. Now for number 3. Imagine a fruit that comes in little juicy bites. Yes, it's grapes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 juicy grapes. Let's move on to number 4. Picture a tropical fruit with a prickly exterior. Can you guess? It's the pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4 spiky pineapples. Now for our grand finale. Number 5. Think of a small red fruit that's perfect for making pie. Yes, it's cherries. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yummy cherries. You did it! You've just learned to count from 1 to 5 with the help of some delicious fruits. Bye for now. Subscribe for more such adventures. Hey there, little learners! Welcome to our exciting adventure today, learning shapes. Are you excited? Let's dive right in. Our first shape is as round as a delicious pizza. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a circle. Circles are perfectly round with no corners. They're like the sun, the moon, and so many other cool things. Can you find something at home that's shaped like a circle? Now let's move on to a shape that's like a perfect square piece of chocolate, the square. Squares have 4 equal sides and corners. What other squares can you spot around you? Get ready for a shape that's sharp and pointy, the triangle. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Imagine a slice of pizza or a piece of watermelon, both tasty triangles. Can you find something else in your kitchen that's shaped like a triangle? Next up, we have a shape that's perfect for making book covers. It's the rectangle. Rectangles have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Your favorite storybook or the door to your room might be a rectangle. What other rectangles can you find at home? Now let's explore a shape that's like a stretched out circle. It's the oval. Ovals are like eggs or rugby balls, all stretched and round with no corners. Can you find something oval-shaped in your play area? Moving on to a shape that's a bit more unique, the hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides and 6 corners. Think of a honeycomb or a stop sign. Both are fantastic examples of hexagons. Can you find something else shaped like a hexagon around your home? Here comes another cool shape, the pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides and 5 corners. Picture a home plate in baseball or a shining star. Both are awesome examples of pentagons. What other pentagons can you find? Now let's discover a shape that's like a tilted square, the rhombus. Rhombuses have 4 equal sides, just like squares, but their corners are not right angles. Picture a kite flying high in the sky or a shiny diamond ring. Both are dazzling rhombuses. Can you find something else shaped like a rhombus? Get ready for a shape that's all about being round in 3D. It's the sphere. Spheres are like round balls with no edges or corners. Imagine a bouncy basketball or a juicy orange. Both are examples of spheres. Can you find something else at home shaped like a sphere? Time to explore a shape that's like a pointy mountain, the pyramid. Pyramids have triangular sides and a square base. Picture the ancient Egyptian pyramids or a stack of building blocks. Both are fantastic examples of pyramids. What other pyramids can you find? Last but not least, let's check out a shape that's like a can of soda, the cylinder. Cylinders have 2 circular faces and a curved surface. Think of a can of your favorite drink or a roll of delicious cookies. Both are examples of cylinders. Can you find something else shaped like a cylinder around your home? Wow, we've uncovered a whole wonderland of shapes today. Keep exploring and discovering shapes in your everyday life, and you'll become a shape master. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, happy shape exploring! Hey there, little explorers! Today we have a super exciting adventure waiting for you. Are you ready to dive into the amazing world of vegetables? Today's journey is all about root vegetables. First things first, what exactly are root vegetables? Well, imagine a plant having a hidden treasure beneath the soil. That treasure is the root. Root vegetables are plants where we eat the part that grows underground. Now let's meet some root vegetable superstars. Our first friend is the mighty carrot. Can you guess where we find this crunchy delight? That's right, underground. Carrots are not just orange, they can be purple, yellow, or even white. Next up, we have the humble potato. Who doesn't love potatoes? They come in all shapes and sizes and make the yummiest fries and mashed potatoes. But wait, there's more! Say hello to the sweet potato. It's not just sweet, it's super nutritious too. And don't forget about the earthy beetroot with its vibrant color and unique taste. Did you know that radishes are root vegetables too? They can be spicy or mild, and they come in various colors. And here's a fun fact. Turnips and parsnips are also part of the root vegetable family. Onions come in different colors like white, yellow, and red. They can make us cry when we cut them, but they're also super tasty and can add flavor to so many dishes. Let's get to know cassava. Cassava is a starchy root vegetable that can be turned into yummy dishes like cassava fries. It's an important food in many parts of the world, and it's packed with energy. Ginger adds a spicy kick to our food, and it's also great for our health. Whether it's in a stir fry or a cup of tea, ginger is a root with a zing. Say hello to garlic. Garlic isn't just a seasoning, it's a superhero in the kitchen. It can fight off vampires, just kidding, and make our food taste amazing. Plus, it comes in little cloves that are like tiny flavor bombs. Let's explore the golden wonder, turmeric. Turmeric is not only a spice that colors our food yellow, but also has lots of health benefits. It's like a superhero root that keeps us strong and healthy. That's it for our root vegetable adventure today, explorers. I hope you enjoyed meeting onions, cassava, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. So let's quickly recap our root vegetable friends. We have carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes, beetroots, radishes, turnips, and parsnips. Remember, they're all hiding underground, waiting to surprise our taste buds. Carrot. Carrot. Potato. 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 Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Beetroot. Beetroot. Radish. Radish. Turnip. Turnip. Onion. Onion. Cassava. Cassava. Ginger. Ginger. Garlic. Garlic. Turmeric. Turmeric. Subscribe for more such adventures. Hello, kiddos. Let's learn the names of fruits. Apple. Apple. Banana, banana. Banana, banana. Orange. 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 Kiwi. Kiwi. Grapes. Grapes. Lemon. 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 Watermelon. Watermelon. Cherry. Cherry. Strawberry. 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 Avocado. 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 Mango. 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 Blueberry. 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 Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Papaya. Pear. 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 This is lychee. This is lychee. This is lychee. Pineapple. Pomegranate. Subscribe for more such adventures.